Welcome to our guide on Venmo. In 2025, Venmo has become an essential tool for managing your money and transactions easily. We'll explore its features and how you can make the most of them. First, let's download the Venmo app. Head to your app store, search for Venmo, and hit download. It's that simple. After downloading, open the app to create your account. You'll enter your email, create a password, and verify your identity with a phone number. Next, link your bank account or debit/credit card. This enables you to transact instantly. Simply enter your details on the app to get started. Customize your profile by adding a photo and adjusting your privacy settings. Head to Settings to control who can see your transactions. To send money, open the app, enter the amount, and choose the recipient. Hit Send, and your money will be on its way. When someone sends you money, you'll receive a notification. Just check your account to see the funds appear instantly. Need to ask someone for money? Use the request feature by tapping on their name, entering the amount, and sending a friendly message to remind them. In 2025, be aware of transaction limits and potential fees. Each user can send a certain amount weekly. Check the app for details. To ensure safe transactions, always verify recipient information and avoid sharing personal details. Trust is key.